My name is Vidyut Sharma. World Water Day, 22nd of March, just passed us by. In the spirit of World Water Day, I thought it would do us all some good if we take a look into how little water we have available for us to use. Take this water bottle for instance. Imagine that all the Earth's water is in this one bottle. Out of all this water, 97.5% is ocean water. It's salty, it cannot be used by us. It's unfit for usage in agriculture, in industries, and it cannot be consumed by us. That leaves us with 2.5% of the Earth's water as fresh water that can be used by us in agriculture and industries, everything. Out of this, 1.5% is unavailable to us as it is locked in polar ice caps, in underground lakes, in glaciers. We cannot access it, hence we cannot use it. That leaves us with 1% of all the Earth's water that is fresh, available for us to use. Just 1% of all the Earth's water. All this water is used in every single human endeavor. That means agriculture, industries, and domestic use. 70% out of this 1% is used in agriculture. Another 22% is used in industries. That leaves us with just 8% out of 1% of the global water that is available to us for usage in our homes. Let me put that in perspective, in numbers that are easier to understand. Imagine you have 1,000 drops of water. If you do the math, you'll realize that out of 1,000 drops available, only 0.8 drop is available to you for domestic use. That is less than 1 drop of water out of 1,000 drops that is available to you to use for domestic purposes such as washing, cooking, drinking, and everything. Water is scarce, and this is the present scenario. If global trends continue, pretty soon this 0.8 could dwindle to 0.5, 0.3, 0.1, and maybe one day, 0. Prevention is better than cure. So let us start saving water. Let us start preventing its wastage so that we can have a joyful future.